Hi, I'm here at 201 East 25th Street, the Peter James in the heart of Gramercy, and I'm going to show you a penthouse floor, gigantic one bedroom with open, unobstructed views of Manhattan. When I first walked into this penthouse floor apartment, I got a sense of space and flow, especially when I walked up to the windows overlooking downtown Manhattan and Gramercy. I got a sense of infinite possibilities. You know, I see a lot of apartments, and when I walked into this bedroom, I was amazed. Double exposure, 20 feet long, and right on the corner. Amazing. One of the things you can never have enough of, closet space. In addition to being on the top floor, you are in a top building here in Gramercy with a gorgeous roof deck, professional services in the heart of everything that is great about being in this area, and everything you could want for restaurants, nightlife, shopping, bars. It's all right here at the Peter James. So if you'd like to see this penthouse floor Junior 4 that can be flexed into a 2-bedroom, give me a call, Ed Herson with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm going to get you in to see one of the most amazing penthouse floor apartments that you can see today. Thanks, and have a great day.